Let me welcome Mimiko. The Iroko himself in Ondo State, chairman of the Labour Party.
We need everybody now in Nigeria to work together to rescue Nigeria. And people like this cannot be sleeping in their houses and say, well, it's not their business, it's their business. And that is why the chairman said, whatever it is, yes, we have meeting, but it's also part of the meeting.
We are very, very hopeful that we are going to hear something very positive from him soonest. Our message is simple. Let's come back, reposition the PDP, and work towards rescuing Nigeria. The urgency of the matter is now. We are rebuilding the political platform, the PDP, repositioning it towards ensuring that PDP is back to power in 2023.
They have come. As usual, they've tried to convince us about why we should come and join forces with them in PDP for what efforts they are making in repositioning politics in Nigeria. We've listened to them. We're going back to have our stakeholders meeting because ultimately it's the people, the stakeholders that we decide. But we'll give them the information and then we'll take decision.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.